Hi guys, this is Darla, your social media manager and small business owner living in Bicol. So for today's video, I will be finally sharing with you how I started to become a social media manager or my freelancing journey in general. So ever since I was a child, I am a creative person. So I really have a background for design. Ako yung classmate mo na palaging extra yung project, palaging may touch of art. And it was during my college years, third year to be specific, I take business administration major in operations management. This was during the pandemic, pero medyo slowly getting back to normal. So our school decided na sa school na lang kami mag-OJT as a marketing team for our enrollment campaign. Then yung mga task namin during that time was make social media contents, kaya all our campaign will be done online. I was assigned to be the supervisor nung team namin for the campaign. And usually, umiikot yung task namin on social media. Tagagawa ng content, tagagawa ng copy, taga-post, taga-message. Another factor is that my boyfriend is a graphic designer. We are on the same team. So, marunong din ako ng mga basic about Photoshop. So, that experience helped me and became the foundation kung paano ako naging social media manager. Fast forward, after graduating, I tried applying sa mga small business dito sa Naga City. And thankfully, mayroong isang clothing shop sa Naga City na tumanggap sa akin. That was Trixity, and that started my career as a social media manager. So that's it.